Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best faucet water filters that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Waterdrop faucet filter offers a practical solution for households seeking to enhance the quality of their tap water with minimal effort and expense. This filtration system attaches directly to your faucet, providing immediate access to cleaner and safer drinking water. It effectively filters out common contaminants such as chlorine, lead, and mercury, thereby improving both the taste and odor of the water. Key features of the filter include its multi-stage filtration process, which utilizes activated carbon fiber to efficiently remove impurities. This ensures that the water you consume is not only cleaner but also healthier. The filter is designed for ease of use, requiring simple installation and offering a convenient switch between filtered and unfiltered water via an intuitive lever mechanism. With a long filter life of up to 3 months or 320 gallons of water, the Waterdrop faucet filter reduces the frequency of filter replacements compared to other systems, contributing to its cost-effectiveness. Additionally, it boasts NSF certification to standards 42 and 372, affirming its efficacy in reducing chlorine, lead, and other contaminants. Its affordability and compatibility with most standard faucets make it accessible to a wide range of users looking to improve their tap water quality without complex installations or ongoing maintenance issues. Overall, the Waterdrop faucet filter stands out as a reliable choice for anyone prioritizing convenient, efficient, and budget-friendly water filtration solutions at home. The Brita Complete Faucet Filter is a popular choice for those looking to enhance the quality and taste of their tap water. This system uses advanced carbon block technology to effectively reduce common contaminants such as chlorine, lead, mercury, copper, and other impurities that affect water quality. The filter life is quite practical, lasting up to 4 months or filtering approximately 100 gallons of water before requiring a replacement. An added benefit is the system's ability to switch between filtered water, unfiltered water, and an unfiltered spray, making it versatile for various kitchen tasks like rinsing dishes. Installation is straightforward and tool-free, attaching directly to standard faucets in just 5 steps. A unique feature of the Brita Complete Faucet-Mount is its filter change reminder system. While it lacks an electronic reminder light, the filter cartridge turns brown to signal the need for a replacement. Its compact design ensures it doesn't take up counter space, and it comes in a chrome or neutral white color to blend seamlessly with most kitchen decors. Overall, the Brita Complete Faucet Filter provides a cost-effective and convenient solution for improving tap water quality. It's ideal for those who seek a basic yet reliable filtration system and are willing to change the filters regularly to maintain optimal performance. This system offers peace of mind by delivering cleaner, better-tasting water and contributing to environmental sustainability by reducing plastic bottle usage. The Pure Plus offers a versatile solution for those seeking improved water quality directly from their tap. Available in both horizontal and vertical orientations, this system is designed to accommodate various faucet types and under-sink spaces, ensuring a seamless fit for your kitchen. The primary advantage of both models lies in their ability to filter tap water effectively, enhancing both its taste and safety. Key features of the Pure Plus system include its capability to significantly reduce chlorine taste and odor, as well as removing harmful contaminants such as lead, mercury, asbestos, cadmium, copper, and cysts. Installation is straightforward, requiring no tools, which makes it user-friendly. Each filter has a lifespan of up to 100 gallons or approximately 3 months for an average family, and the compact design ensures it fits most faucets without taking up counter space. Certified by the Water Quality Association and NSF International, the system is proven to reduce up to 70 contaminants. The device includes a convenient lever to switch between filtered and unfiltered water, and a filter change indicator light ensures you know exactly when to replace the filter. Available in stylish colors like chrome and metallic gray, it also features a mineral core filter to enhance the water's taste. Compatible with most standard faucets, the Pure Plus provides an easy space-efficient way to enjoy cleaner, mineral-enhanced water straight from your tap. The ZeroWater ExtremeLife is an advanced 5-stage filtration system recognized by the Water Quality Association for its efficacy in reducing various contaminants from tap water. Notably, it eliminates 98% of PFOA and PFOS, significant emerging contaminants, ensuring safer drinking water. The filter also effectively reduces chlorine, enhancing the taste and odor of water, and removes up to 98% of lead, providing a critical safeguard against lead contamination. Additionally, it filters out particulate matter, contributing to clearer and cleaner water. The carbon fiber technology utilized in the ZeroWater ExtremeLife filter ensures long-lasting performance, with a lifespan of up to 6 months or 400 gallons, which is 4 times longer than many leading brands. This filtration system is designed for ease of use, featuring simple installation that connects directly to most standard faucets. It includes a filter life indicator, a convenient feature that reminds users when it's time to replace the filter, ensuring optimal performance at all times. By removing contaminants like chlorine, the filter significantly improves the taste and odor of tap water. Available in sleek chrome and classic white finishes, the filter not only enhances water quality but also complements various kitchen decors, making it a practical and stylish addition to any home. This combination of superior filtration, ease of use, and aesthetic appeal makes the ZeroWater ExtremeLife filter an excellent choice for those looking to improve the quality of their tap water. The Culligan Faucet-Mount filter is a straightforward and efficient solution for enhancing the taste and quality of your tap water. Designed for easy installation on most kitchen faucets, this filter uses a carbon block system to remove a range of impurities, including chlorine, lead, and herbicides. This not only improves the flavor of your water but also ensures it's safer to drink. The compact design of the Culligan makes it unobtrusive, fitting neatly onto your faucet without taking up much space. Its user-friendly installation process requires no tools, making it accessible for anyone to set up quickly. The filter boasts several notable features that make it an attractive option for improving tap water quality. It effectively reduces bad tastes and odors, sediment, and a variety of contaminants. With a filter capacity of up to 200 gallons, or approximately 2 months of use, it ensures long-lasting performance. The filter is IAPMO certified, guaranteeing its efficiency and safety. Additionally, the neutral white or chrome finish and the diverter valve, which allows switching between filtered and unfiltered water, add both functionality and aesthetic appeal to your kitchen setup. Overall, the Culligan Faucet-Mount filter is an excellent choice for those seeking a simple, affordable way to enhance their drinking water.